How's it going, guys? Davaskye here with another review. This is a 2018 iPad Pro. Should you get it in 2021? Let's find out. Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah.
Alright, so the iPad Pro has been a spectacular device for what it's worth. It's in my opinion, a media consumption device. Now, with its added accessories like the Apple Pencil or the new Magic Keyboard, it makes typing up documents, responding to emails that much easier than using the on-screen keyboard. It's inching closer to that laptop experience, but it isn't there yet. Even today, the iPad Pro's hardware is still spectacular. That A12X Bionic chip that it has is still remarkable and runs flawlessly. I've had no issues running a multitude of programs back to back to back. No signs of stopping, no glitches, none of that. It's been a spectacular device through and through. It unlocks using Face ID. Look at the device and it unlocks and you just swipe up, which is awesome. There are 3 buttons on the side for power and 2 volume rockers. That's it. That is the entire button layout of this device. The camera is at the top in portrait mode. Most people are going to use this laptop in landscape, so I'm hoping that the next iterations of this device moves that camera placement to the side. But the fortunate thing is Face ID works whether it's in portrait mode, landscape mode, upside down, as long as you're not covering the camera. And if you are, it has a little pointer that says, hey, you're covering the camera here. So that's awesome. When you buy this device, whatever storage options you buy, you are stuck with. It goes from 64 gigabytes all the way up to 1 terabyte. Every model except the 1 terabyte model has 4 gigabytes of RAM. The 1 terabyte model has 6 gigabytes of RAM. But I don't think that's going to make a difference. The only thing is how much storage you need, and that's the deciding factor on what model you should get. I don't think 4 gigs, 6 gigs is gonna make that much of a difference in terms of everyday usage. The screen on this device is an LCD panel with 120 Hertz refresh. So that means it's buttery smooth. Unlike most Apple devices, this actually charges using USB Type-C, which is awesome. I am hoping the next iPhone is USB-C, but that's a pipe dream at this point. It supports True Tone display. But let's talk about the speakers. The speakers on this thing are phenomenal. They are great. It has 4 outward-facing speakers with stereo sound support. Trust me, in this small of a device, it packs a lot. And I mean a lot of sound. It does not have a headphone jack, as with most Apple devices nowadays. No headphone jack. The battery life on this device has been superb. You can easily get 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, depending on your usage. It's been great in that regard. No complaints there. Now, is it able to replace your laptop for, dedicated, hardcore work? In my personal experience, no. With its accessories, it's almost there, but it's not quite there as yet. The limitation of only having iOS App Store applications is just not practical at this point. The iPad is great. It's an awesome device if you're looking for an on-the-go addition to your setup. Something to respond to emails with. take Zoom calls. So, should you sell your laptop and buy an iPad? No, do not sell your laptop and buy an iPad. The iPad is a very laptop-like experience, but it's just that, a laptop-like experience. It is not a replacement for your laptop. And at the end of the day, it's just a really, really, really good tablet. That's been it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Davaskye out. I'll catch you guys in the next video.